Hello and welcome to today's math problem. If you struggle with solving math questions like this, make sure you watch this video to the end so you can understand how to be able to tackle questions like this. So we have x raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power x plus 243. And we are charged with the responsibility of finding the value of x. Let us try to solve for the value of x. So we have x raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power x plus 243. So now in this question, we're going to try to do some manipulations to be able to arrive at our final answer. Okay, so now x raised to the power x is the same thing as 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 243, because we know that a raised to the power m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. Okay, so let us just continue with the solution. So now we have x raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 243. So now let's move the variables to one side. So what do we need to do? We just divide both sides by 3 raised to the power x, 3 raised to the power x, 3x cancels out. So we have x raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power 243. Now, we can collect the powers as like terms on the left hand side. So we have x over 3 raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power 243. And that's because we know that a raised to the power m over b raised to the power m is the same thing as a over b raised to the power m. Okay, now if we continue from here, we know that x over 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 243. Now, let x over 3, right, let it be equal to k, right? So if x over 3 is equal to k, so our x is the same thing as being equal to what? 3k. If we just cross multiply, because this is k over 1. Okay, so x equals 3k if x over 3 is equal to k. So if that is the case, so wherever we see x over 3, we'll replace it with k. And wherever we see x, we'll replace it with 3k. So now our equation now becomes k raised to the power 3k equals 3 raised to the power 243. Remember, what we're trying to manipulate here is to make sure that the left hand side looks like the right hand side in terms of the bases and the powers. So now let us rewrite the right hand side to look like the left hand side. Okay, so we have k raised to the power 3k equals 3 raised to the power 243 is the same thing as 3 times 81. Okay, so 3 times 81. Now this is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 381. Right? So k raised to the power 3k now is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 is the same thing as 27 raised to the power 81. Now this is not yet looking like what we have on the left hand side. So we continue our manipulation. So we have 27. 81 is the same thing as 3 times 27. So 27 raised to the power 3 times 27. Now, if we look at this, we see we have 27 base and also 27 in the power. We have k at the base, k in the power, and then we have 3. We also have 3. So now our left-hand side, our right-hand side is now looking like what we have on our left-hand side. So therefore, we can see that our k is equal to 27. But now, we know that our k is equal to what? X over 3 from here. Our k is equal to x over 3. So if k is equal to x over 3, that means 27 is equal to x over 3. And if we cross multiply, our x now becomes 27 times 3. So x now is equal to 81. This is our final answer. But we're not going to stop here. We're going to try to verify this answer just to make sure that it is the right answer. Our question earlier states that x raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power x plus 243. Now, if we plug in x equals, if we plug in 81, wherever we find x, what we now have now becomes 81 raised to the power 81, okay, equals 3 raised to the power 81 plus 243. Okay, so if we add this up, we have 81 raised to the power 81 is equal to 3 raised to the power, this is 4, this is 12, this is 324. So let us try to make this right hand side look like the left hand side. And 81 raised to the power 81 is the same thing as what? We know that 81 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 4. So if we write that, 3 raised to the power 4 times, what do we have left? 81 times 4. 81 times 4 will give us 324. So this is 4 times 81. All right. So 81 raised to the power 81, we're trying to find out if it's going to be equal to what we have on the right hand side. Right? 3 raised to the power 4. This becomes 3 raised to the power 4, 81. 81 raised to the power 81, we're trying to see if it's going to be equal to what we have on the right hand side. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, 81. So from what we see here, our left hand side now is equal to our right hand side. So our value of x, which is 81 that we got here, is the correct answer. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you share this video. Subscribe to the channel if you like to solve math questions like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.